Abusiafo nyame shall be aha Ghana Asem TV best say be subscribe to the channel and for more chebra our comment section. Nyame shall you.
Madam never can get Quincy.
Wait. Nana don't know me idea.
Nana don't know about Nadia saying.
I'm in the woman, I'm on your war.
Are they?
I'm on your war, and I'm a man, and you're
Oh, teacher say, bre.
Canada Japan giant yo Tom ya kwasiampa for party ya krom for party so leave us alone. Ubeye so nyafe. Ubeye tantan tan bola so beye na Canada Japan afa na ni twa Fred. Adis will be anya 1 million. Adis will be anya 500,000 na Canada Japan ni na so was catching obi a. O start say I got married man. And Baomia Nihu, and now Baomiana will say, oh, this cano, and now the Canadian Japan say, Baomia this car ever to delegate. How about that? What the yard doing, Eddie Agrokeke? Canadian Japan, what the yard doing, and Eddie Agrokeke? Ya whatever be some back at say, Sabio, Samira and the Kundi, woman here for me, you be that, and no one on back here. Na no say ko kasra wunni say won jai fooling utie ya na de we amatia so no wa be dia medi wa no na no say wan kwase ampani ko kasra wunni say won jai jimie no wi atro letter na extension come Canada Japan in headquarters o munya be 7 no buo mu aboa no why ji wunni na di utie asia ukredin di yesu hu komo yes. You are supporting Canada Japan who want to destroy the people of Ghana. We are buapi because yebi na enchonwe ka na emu ambo ka mbo sa kwasi ampa ko ni na free Ghana. Sama bodam a bebre so abodam chemu. Only papa ko wa for a whole political party and we ridicule here to nothing. And the silly leadership are sitting down, they cannot talk. We will swap you out. Canada Japan, we will swap you out. Because Asem way so they like since when did they come in? And because Asem way since when did it come in? And then people for 1 minute got on Kotuaba. Because when dear baby woman come and say, Obia did dear Jaom. Now more delegate for living a yana a yammy ya. More delegate for a yana yammy ya. Papa will be Jinaha and Nomunya and Omama will be on where Nebi. Papa na okatra o se omunya e wo ma ubi no sa papa no we anya bia Canada Japan we nko snap ene e don bodua se we anya hwe we MPP nso tumi be dina wanim e ka tro se Kufuado na didi e Kufuado e ba akopɛ nti no ma appointment no anka me Kufuado na anya ne selection Canada Japan and Kufuado Nanya the selection. And I will say every appointee except Asem Subuachi and ya wo Canada Japan no more form as appointees and now okay. Now Papa na there na junior. You see sometimes we don't want to go personal but the reason it doesn't make sense as a toddler as a koda ya ni egu na junimu na juni nya adwuma. Canada Japan na juni nya adwuma. You are here accusing appointees say one where did the party for and did no problem. Then you come and tell us, hey, appointees no muko bo abro. Appointees no na do dia muko yes wo muko pe bibi mra fie na wo man fa ma no. Eh ye me Canada Japan na de ma na do nya me tia wo kasa sa wo de sa kwa champa fo na ma yen. Canada Japan na me tia wo kasa wo ko ye ya de nkwase afo no ma because I know you. When you people don't know this man eh. Mu nim Canadian tia. Mu amudi na chini bebre ni mu nim Canada Japan. Kamunso na man kamobefa. Oh, you wicked. A very vindictive person. And he doesn't care what his anger destroys. So long as he gets it out, he doesn't care. You're the penny nansen in the idea, penny kwasia, sebe. Penny at the hour same found, so long as you get your way in near many nansen, we will swap you out. My father is so smart that my father will not destroy the house that he lives inside. Where Jimmy Tia? And Odi Canada Japan Chino. Me papa kwesi apia. O nyansa se edanya wo timu no. O mburu se sa dan no enwiri gu no so. O Kennedy Japan intellect ya won ni na junior what from them kwasi asem ya tutrasem e won trim ntuno e fa na wo so obey yi plug no na bibia adwira gu obi aso because na come aba we ya boa ntina wodi na chi wo de ya hwe wo mo a omudi na chi na hwe mo mu speech na hwe now we nyansani a let this make sense to me and I catch them say wo de nne no fa ne say nne ye please wo de fa ne say nne no one be who the Felix wo de fine. You will find me some other time. Asiakwa. It will not work. You the same person, no. Esanse winim se ube lusunti. Unamwa. Ena wenye bi omo kayo. Ena omo. We are delegate now we nyanseni anu ebisa so omo no omo ne ho anom. Delegate for Kennedy ba oka jam say vote for me as an independent candidate ana. Me bisam. Me say Kennedy Japan ba obeka kire mo say mu vote man as independent candidate ana there bi. Go say mu vote man as NPP ni ana meboa. E no nam no say NPP say ya kronfo. No nam no say NPP say na say election kra ni ye wi mu no amunya den no beba beka. No, honorable, this time it won't fly you. Me come mami adaka mi nim baby she. Udi. Emfa. And Timba Omia don't contact me. Don't contact me. You people, Saudi and Mube Jai. Mutie. Timba Omia tie for no Mube Jai. Jakatra Musa Mumu do the tie ones. Mude don't bo tie here no. Money senior Dennis no monkoye no enu here for the media no in down there but say airway we super ya baba kwasi ampafuo bi asabe ye ni baby da e ba be try ye de omonye wasia udi flag bearer eji so 270 houses so say den so no unya baby na we bi adwuma yet we is fooling agent man no uni adwuma ye wasia Asem na mugina wa mudi no emfa me ka kire mo nne now let's look at this 2023, we could have won that election easily. Let me tell you something. The NDC who is in power today, the NDC who is in power today, na omenin that's all we win in 2024. Make catch them play. We winning. I've talked. I mean, like we have friends in there. They never thought we be winning. John Mahama was actually shocked when Away Baumia called him. He was shocked. And untina Diana wama plan says woman we know no. Even though send woman we no, they still carried it through. Nanka where we near Abayashi police station. Where we near Abayalu too. But they looted the country Ghana. What did Kennedy do? You enter into a race that was already running. You were accepted. As a matter of fact, you became the second favorite after Dr. Baumia. Any reasonable, sensible person, what does that tell you? I have a future. If I lay my cards and I play my cards well, I could be the leader of this party. And may God help me to become president of Japan. Nyansani biasa na nkobejene. Utuwe. Every suggestion I want to come out Congress. That's why I said, sir, leadership we na one the woman no be amfani ni. I'm on your papa. Said Justin Kodia will say one you woman your papa. Meme so woman your papa. One power, woman time and there, woman time of China. Justin Kodia has failed. Nana B has failed. Chairman has failed. All of them has failed, including the women organizer. When was the last time you heard MPP women organizers and as MPP women doing something? Senior lawyer ladies now they are moving. When was the last time as a women's wing of the party yeah, can't say the same way for mama adjoining about say we have a party to save person because CB everything say or baby see who need trust the amount of adwuma wo and who to adjoining in ayira Jimmy and number mu a the technology na ene e break a mortar pongpo adwuma na wo person we Munimunyansa. And we are not going to let it slide. Now, see here 2023. Me Felix Apia Samokaya. Me be breaking why in see an Addo epamu ni free in the office. Samokaya. And I me there and say, so ye bema. Now me adi we kura me tea bita. Enu anum tea. MPP phone na pem. Ghana phone na su frame se me meye president. Na mama me ho kwan na MPP for ha me na me da suti. Let it make sense. Seriously, let it make sense. MPP phone na pem. Ghana for su second in Japan mayor president. Ena papa na oye okokroko ogbentigbe kebi. The man himself, the boss man, is afraid to leave the party to become his boss man. Because he ain't shit. Who you can Japan sika, he ain't shit because they say nekasa na mayan say nyansa o kasa. Now na yati say the entire parliament na on kasa o ni nyansa. Ni sika na ama no ho abenyam. Me catch them on ne. I don't give a fuck. I've told you people already. And this show is not for the weak minds. Meant na hono be me say MPP because ono dwe so no edi ame wa bodam. Me si afa na yati ase de entia Kennedy Japan call parliament na won kasa. Enyo ni sika na ko wonyo wo bia. Adentia. One, oye bayifo. Aden oye bayifo. Bayifo debi oye bema into oye bayi bronsam. Aden no oye bayi bronsam. Oye bayi bronsam because Alexander Benya 10 million. Felix Benya 5 million. Kennedy Japan Benya 25 million. Still Kennedy Japan say you did jano. Beyi. Oko spirit mu asofo na mu we ni no. Beyi ni nso ade. Beyi de ade beyi ni bia na ni nso. Beyi, hu se beyi ya de tantan. Especially Ghana for beyi na ya de tantan. Na nke ye den Felix nya 5, Alex nya 10. Unya den, unya 25. Nkwa. Still we see didi eja. We dey na yem fama. Yam se nanka Kennedy Japan person na Addo de ma beki. Ena ba omi also de Hajia Samira kan ho na nkomu rotate shifts. Na odi omo so no wu so okay say the ono ne the man we di obi a. Some kwati assembly like how? How do we sit and supervise this stupidity happening to our party? Edi na moyo. Mimi Tuwe. I'm a very principled person. Semen supporto, I mean supporto. That is who I am. I hope that when many Alan, name hopes in case you see here, I think I've said it here several times. Listen to Abano, and then people need to want me because penny denjang, penny benfobi, and what JMP contract in our say, get in your doby. Now your pobia where did the party for who can the Japan your sign? Go and bring your contribution from 2021 to 2025 as we are in Canada Japan. Bring your contribution to the party. Bring your contribution from 2021 and Addo. Answer that man with a significant contract. No, show me what you were able to do for the party. To whom much is given, much is tested. But your brain is so low, you wouldn't understand that. So you will fight things like that. Ya bro. Kennedy. Ya bro. Conquer fat out, it will be a long day.